Hello and welcome to another new episode of Learning Simplified. In this tutorial, we are going to know how to provide gradient to the background of your web page. Now before doing so, we will get to know what gradient is. Gradient is a mixture of two or more colors. In case of graphics, there may be of several parts of it, but when it comes to coding, only two kinds of gradients are used, linear and radial gradient. Now both kinds of gradient employ color stops. What is it? Color stops contain colors, those ensure smooth rendering of transitions among them. It is practically the junction point where transitions regarding colors occur. Here you can preview a gradient with some color stops. As you can see, various colors are assigned to each individual color stops. Colors will change from one stop to another depending upon the number of time it is employed. And here I made some examples of some of the linear gradient. Practically, you can employ linear gradients from left to right, right to left, diagonally from top left corner to the bottom right, or vice versa. You may employ angular gradients by mentioning the angle. Typically, the web syntax of employing linear gradient is this. Now, as you can see in this syntax, you are disclaiming that the gradient will be linear type. Then you have to mention the direction and the color stops within bracket. Color stops can be numerous in numbers, but there should be at least two color stops to be mentioned, else there won't be any gradient form. In case of radial gradients, it is defined by the color stops, shape of the contour, position and the center of the shape. In case of web coding for radial gradient, the default shape is always ellipse. The shape can be changed though to circle. Here's two possible diagram of two different shape contours. As we can see, the syntax of the radial gradient will be background. Now the position of radial gradient can be specified as percentage. We will be aware of it pretty soon. You are able to add the transparency whenever needed while mentioning the gradient. This is a little bit of tricky one. We are going to know about this while coding. In the next tutorial, we are going to code some gradients. Till then, bye.